What is that, you may be thinking? Well, that is a pastry tamper, and I wanted to turn it into a Sinew spindle. So I bought one on Amazon for $4, and I bought some markers from the dollar store. Took the purple one out, and I colored this. Let's see, I colored it, I sanded it, I colored it, I sanded it, and I think, I only colored it and sanded it twice. Sanded on a little more with some finer paper, and I dusted it off really good, and I sprayed it with 5 coats of lacquer, and came out pretty cool for $4. Well, $5. That marker was $1. I like that deep dark purple end. And then I just drilled the hole in it, and I took a machine screw and I cut the end off, wrapped it in tape, marked it, and it just screws right in. And if you watch MrTieDye's video on the Sinew spindle that he got from some gentleman in Russia, man, he made some beautiful tools as well. And when I saw that, it inspired me to try and replicate that in some way, shape, or form. And this is what I came up with. Came out pretty cool for a marker and a $4 crappy tamper. And I say that just because I don't know how you're supposed to use this with food. I mean, it has, let's see, where is that? This big knot. I mean, I don't know how you would ever use that with food. But it's a cool effect, and it came out really neat on this piece. So anyway, be inspired, create.